Hey, what's up, s'mores? I'm Shannon Morris. I wanted to quickly give you an unboxing of the brand new Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now, I will have a full review of this phone later this month or early next month. I am still recovering from a surgery though, so it may take me a little bit longer than normal because I am not able to exert as much energy as I usually could. But let's go ahead and unbox this brand new phone, which was sent over by Samsung. This is a review unit. It is not my purchase unit. That one will be coming later on in February when consumer devices ship. Review units, by the way, are not gifts. This is just for reviews and tutorials and video purposes. So here we have the phone. This is the titanium silver blue edition. In the box, we have our USB-C cable as well as some certification information. Now let's take a look at the phone. This titanium silver blue edition actually looks really nice against my tabletop background. It's so pretty. I kind of like how the reflection of this silver blue color almost gives off a kind of a purplish color too. So it almost has a like multi-tone color to it, depending on how you shift it in the light. Samsung did mention during Unpacked that we do have some upgrades to the lenses. We now have that much larger ultra wide, which I'm very curious about, so I will be reviewing that in full. This is the S25 Ultra, so it does have that titanium finish to it too. Really nice casing. Here's the front glass. I hope we still have that anti-reflective coating that came with the S24 lineup because it's wonderful to work with. It does feel really comfortable to hold. It's not bulky, even though it is a large phone, but I really like these curved edges. That's very nice and soft. Let's take a look at the S Pen because they did remove some of the Bluetooth capabilities of the S Pen, actually all the Bluetooth capabilities. So I will not be able to use this to clicky for a camera, which is very unfortunate and kind of sad. But I do like the color. Okay, let's turn it on. Let's take some pictures. Okay, so a short introduction to the S25 Ultra. Of course, these are just first impressions and some of the fun shots that I took just right here in my studio at this very moment. So if you have any questions before I hop into starting to review this little guy, then let me know down in the comments what your questions are. Let me know if there's anything specifically that you want me to test. I am super intrigued to find out how the battery does, how it performs compared to my S24 Ultra, as well as how the camera performs long term. And I do have some questions about the performance and of course AI. So I will be including all of my thoughts in my full and very thorough analysis of this new phone. Thank you for watching and subscribing. I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.